It has been an absolute hot minute since I actually shown any update on this lawn. The last time you all saw something was when I came back from vacation. We were in a heat wave and a drought. A slip and slide killed a bunch of it. I took a whole lot of aerate, way more than any sane person should do. I applied all of it back here, and I showed a more sensual side to myself. Well, how's the lawn recovered since then? Let's take a look. Looking pretty good, isn't it? Yeah, it's recovered great. Now, after that aerate application, we received rain pretty much every single day. About 3 days after, all the way up until about 5 days ago. We had a lot of rain. The month of July, we were at 269% above our average annual rainfall for July, and the start of August just kind of continued that trend. I don't have hard numbers on that right now. For the fertilization though, during this time frame, because I have not stopped doing that, but I'm also not applying it as aggressive as a lot of people like to do, I'm at 1.93 pounds per 1,000 square feet for the year. Only 0.3 pounds higher than when I came back from vacation. So again, not a lot of nitrogen, doing just my ammonium sulfate. I'm adding some green ore SP in with it, and then of course, my growth regulators. That's helping the color a little bit too. Not a lot of nitrogen. The green ore SP, I'm running at 1 ounce per 1,000, so the low rate, and my PGR rates are on the low end as well. The lawn is looking fantastic. Is looking a little shaggy. I'm only mowing like every 10 days, but today we're gonna get it back down. Well, when I say back down, it's gonna be roughly around that 0.7 inch mark. Millimeters, I honestly don't know right now. It was like 19-ish or 20, somewhere in that range. And we're going to see how bad, or if I'm going to scalp. There's a chance I could have to do that. I don't really want to do a reset, but you never know. It may happen. Here we go. We're finally mowed with the real mower. It's kind of been a while, about 10 days since the last one. So let's see how bad it is. Do I have any scalp marks? Well, I need to do kind of like a cut reset on it. Yeah, the answer is yes. I kind of need to do one. I'm like, do I absolutely have to? No. But having a higher height of cut that we're going to talk about here in a second, me doing a reset right now will work perfectly because I will be out of town all of next week. And where am I going? Yeah, I'll be in Salt Lake City. So that week gone with a reset, say if I do that on Saturday or Sunday, it's reset down, going to take it down to like, 0.4 inches, take at least a quarter of an inch off, maybe a little bit more, drop that down. Then when I come back, I should be at the perfect height of cut, and I'm actually going to raise it up a little more. I'm going to go to 3/4 of an inch. I started raising the height of cut after the drought recovery because the bluemuda, the KBG in it, it was just stressing really hard at that 1/2 inch mark. Me raising it up, and even just that little bit, the KBG has done better. It's livened things up. So where I've been rocking that low height of cut, that might be able to get away with that in spring and fall, but summertime, yeah, that 3/4 of an inch is actually the sweet spot. And even with the scalp marks back there, it looks really good. So here soon, gonna do a height of cut reset on this just to take it back down, bring it back up to 0.75 so I have some uniformity, and then all I have left is a little bit on the back hill, and the backyard's done. Pretty cool. Well, anyway, it's Mike, Real Low Dad. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time, maybe in Salt Lake City or in a Louisville, Kentucky spot. Yeah, hotel's booked. We'll see you.